Ho, ho, ho! It's that time again. It's Christmas time. Hello, my YouTube family. Welcome back to Melda 242. If you're here for the first time, I am Melda. You are welcome and God bless you. So today, I'm preparing Christmas cakes, fruitcakes. If you want to see how I achieve these, then I suggest you continue watching. Let's do it! These came as a pair. I ordered these and I will leave the link in the description box below for you. God bless you. Christmas is coming. It's almost here. And I must say thank you to each and every one of you who are always here to view my videos. God bless you. I appreciate you. Especially to those of you who are always coming back. My MVP. God bless you a million. To my brand new subscribers, I appreciate you. You are welcome and God bless you too. Oh, my viewers, I can't leave you out. You're watching, you're out there. Please subscribe and be sure to hit the notification bell. Select all so that you can be notified whenever I'm on with something new. Come on, man. Join us today. The year is almost out and you haven't joined us yet. Come on, join. God bless you and continue watching.
Watching this video all the way to the end. If you have enjoyed it, you know what to do. Give it a thumbs up. Please share it out. Leave a comment. Subscribe if you haven't already done so, and be sure to hit the notification bell. Select all so that you can be notified whenever I'm on with something new. Have yourself a very safe holiday this year. God bless you. God bless you. And I will see you in the next one.